All right, so the first thing we did is we cut this out so it was a little bit more square, and then we're going to go ahead and cut our drywall into a perfect square that will fit into this little hole here. And that's going to make it easier than trying to make it a weird shape. So we're going to go ahead and just measure it up, and then I've got a piece of drywall out there that I can go ahead and get a nice square out of, and we can plug it right in there with no problem, and then screw it into that piece of 2x4 right there that you see. And then we just kind of shove that perfectly square piece right in that hole there, and then we're going to go ahead and screw her down in a second. And the bottom, I think we're going to be able to just go ahead and skim that with the mud. But in the corner, in that very corner right there, we're going to have to shove some drywall in there and plug it up a little bit because it's a pretty deep hole, and that would be kind of hard to fill with mud. So anyway, we're going to take this little piece, we're going to measure it in there, we're going to mark it off with the blade, slice it, and then we're just going to shove it in there and try to fill that hole as much as possible so that we can cover that all up with mud. And as you can see, bam, done. And as you can see, progress. Now we just got to mud it up and get a vacuum cleaner, clean this mess up. Next comes the mixing of the mud. All right, so we got one coat of mud on. We still got to skim some more in there. Yep, that looks good. The steel thing didn't work.
Yeah, I did it, and I did a whole swat thing of it.
Okay, good.
The first thing.
Progress so far, looking good. Doing a great job. All right, that's coat 4. Getting there. Sanding it, coating it, sanding it, coating it. And the pièce de résistance. Completely fixed. She did a fantastic job. And the painting begins.
Oh, I have to bring Mom her scalps.
Looking good.
Just enough paint here.
And as you can see, it looks fantastic. Completely done. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Before and after.